This dance is called Love of Dance. 32 count, 2 walls. It's an easy intermediate level line dance, and there are 3 tags in this dance at the end of wall 3, wall 6, and wall 8. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, step right forward, make a quarter turn to your right, pointing your left. Step right forward, quarter turn to the right, you point left. Step left forward, quarter turn to the left, you point right. Step right forward, quarter turn to your right. Step, do a sailor quarter turn to your right. Behind, side, forward. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Step your left forward, touch right behind left. Step, touch, step your right back with a sweep, behind, side, cross. Step your right to the side, make a quarter turn to the left, transferring your weight to the left, and do 2 camel walks. Forward, forward. So, section 2 with the count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, do a heel grind 3/8 turn to your right. Heel grind 3/8 turn to the right, facing 730. Do a back coaster with your right back together, forward. Rock left forward, recover on your right. Make a quarter turn to your left. Step your right forward. Make heel shiver on the left, a quarter. Another heel shiver with your right, a quarter. Now you're facing 1030. Section 3 with the count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Last section, step your left back, touch right next to left, do a forward shuffle. Forward, together, forward. 3/8 turn to your left with a hitch. Hitch, rock back, recover with a push. Rock back, push, recover. Last section with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this dance there are 3 tags. Let me show you the tags facing 12 o'clock. Starting with your right foot, walk right forward, walk left, out, 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 out. Hold 1 count, as in you put your palm in front of you. Bounce 4 times to open your palms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step your right back. Snap your fingers. Tap on your left. Step your left back. Tap On the right, snap your fingers. Step back on right, snap fingers on the left. Step back on left, tap fingers on the right. With the count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.